Hi, just two simple questions. Answer honestly. First, do you have a goal? Second, if so, what is it? If you don't have a goal, that's already a problem, but I'll explain what to do. If you do have a clear goal, whether it's to get rewards, buying a car, paying off debt, or turning things around, listen carefully. There won't be any empty words or forced sales here, just a real working path to get you where you want to be. My name is Evelyn Morgan. I'm a trader with 9 years of experience, and if you follow financial news, you might have seen me on CNN or Breaking News, where I regularly analyze the financial markets. And maybe you've heard about my trading community, one of the fastest growing in the industry, where over 21,000 people use my strategies daily. Today, I want to give you a clear step-by-step plan. No theory, no complicated terms, just concrete actions you can replicate. I'll break down a strategy I've refined over the years. One that's not hard to follow even if you've never placed a single trade before. The only question is, are you ready? If so, watch this video until the end because right now you have the chance to start your journey to financial independence and do it fast. Let's go! Before we begin, I have an important announcement you need to hear. If you've never tried trading because you think it's too complicated, forget about that. Everything you need is already inside my trading community on Telegram. What is it? 3 years ago, I created this community, and today it has become a complete ecosystem, a real accelerator toward financial independence. How does it work? I trade live, and members simply copy my trades. No complicated charts, no useless theory, just clear, actionable steps that bring real results. And most importantly, you're not alone. My Telegram channel has over 21,000 members, all of whom started from scratch. This isn't just a group, it's a real support. I break down trades, explain entry points, answer questions, everything you need to feel confident and know exactly what to do next. People who just yesterday didn't even know what trading was are already seeing real results. Here are just a few of their testimonials. And you can be next. And now look at this dashboard. What do you think? This is how our trading day went yesterday. Just imagine how great it feels to be part of this and achieve these results. Now, what about you? Right now, you can join for free. Just click the link in the description or in the pinned comment below this video and subscribe to my Telegram community. Stop just watching others turn things around. It's time to do something for yourself. I'll see you in Telegram. Let's start right now. Not wasting any time, let's get straight to trading. The trade duration is set to 1 minute and the candle time frame is 30 seconds. We're starting with 30. Now let's choose our 3 key players for today. Perfect. And the main tool of the day, the vortex indicator. While I set up, let me quickly explain how it works. Red line on top, downtrend. Green line on top, uptrend. Wide open lines, strong trend. Intervening lines, sideways market. Don't worry, it's actually really simple. I'll show you how it works in real time. Let's go. We are kicking off with an Australian and a Canadian. Looking at the chart, the red line is on top and the indicator is wide open. This signals a strong downtrend. There was a slight upward correction, but that's just a pause before the trend continues downward. The price is dropping again, confirming the trend is still in play. Going down with confidence. Great! The trade worked in our favor. Let's keep up the pace. Next up, a Canadian and a Swiss. Adjusting here. The price has been falling for a while, but now it's stalling. This suggests a potential reversal. At the bottom, we see 2 indecision candles, also known as doji, which often signals a trend shift. Also, our key indicator, the vortex, is narrowing and curving inward. This means a correction on reversal is coming soon. We're going up. Just as expected, we are already at 109 and we've just started. Moving on. Now let's check this pair. Adjusting settings again. Alright, we see a downtrend, but the price is moving within a channel. Plus, after a downward move, a correction is beginning. The vortex lines are starting to curve inward and narrow, indicating an upward movement is about to start. Awesome! The key is to time it right. The market always gives us signals. Let's keep going. Back to our first pair. The situation has changed. The vortex lines have flipped. Now the green line is moving upward. The trend has shifted to an uptrend. There is still room to move toward resistance. The price is moving steadily without sharp pullbacks. Going up now. Nice. We caught the trend reversal and are moving forward with confidence. Not a bad start. What do you think? Before we continue, let me ask you something. Have you joined my Telegram community yet? If not, then why are you even here? I'm literally giving you a proven method that can help you go to the next level. Be honest, if everything were perfect in your life, you wouldn't be watching this video right now. I can be your mentor, but I can't make this decision for you. I have strategies, books, and courses, all of which could be available to you for free right now. I'm hosting live trading sessions every day, but only members of my trading community can join them. A community that in 3 years has become like a family to me. Just imagine being surrounded by thousands of people working toward the same goal and achieving real results. There is no way you won't experience a transformation here. So tell me, why haven't you joined us yet? Click the link in the description and join our community right now. There is no more time to explain. Access may close soon. This is your chance. Take it. Back to the Canadian and Swiss. We are at 359 now. Carefully analyzing the chart, price has reached a strong level where a bounce is possible. Looking left, we see a previous battle between buyers and sellers at this point. The price is slowing down, signaling a potential downward move. And here's our result. We started with just 30. No need for extra commentary. But we're not stopping here. Back to this pair, adjusting here as always. What do we see? The price has broken out of the channel to the upside. This indicates a breakout and continued movement. The vortex indicator has flipped, confirming the trend is now bullish. There is still space before the next resistance level, so we're going up. Great work! The trend is confirmed and we've locked in some solid rewards. We're back to an Australian and a Canadian, now at 1,322. Focus on the chart. Vortex lines are widely spread and the green line is on top. This signals a strong uptrend. There's also a minor correction, but the level is ready to be broken. The trend is moving up confidently with no major pullbacks, so we're following along. That's how pros trade. Not by guessing, but by reading clear indicators. Let's do a couple more trades before wrapping up. Back to the Canadian and the Swiss. Looking at the chart, we see a strong bounce off the support level. A double bottom pattern is forming. This often signals a reversal upward. The vortex indicator confirms the trend shift as well. The double bottom worked perfectly. We are at 4,796 now. Moments like this remind us how important it is to recognize key levels. All right, final trade for today. We're at a high point now. What's happening here? The price reached the 161.5 level. Strong resistance. It's starting to bounce downward. The vortex indicator lines are curving inward. Everything points to a downward move. And our final result is 8,595. What do you think? I think this strategy has once again proven its effectiveness. I have many more strategies in my arsenal tailored to different market conditions, timeframes, and risk levels. Now, you understand that trading is all about having the right strategies, and they don't have to be complicated. On the contrary, they can be incredibly simple. I never deviate from my trading plan and follow all my strategies with precision. Everything you just saw can be yours too. You can join my live trading sessions, which I host twice a day. Before this video disappears from YouTube, just click the link to join my Telegram community and subscribe. And remember, success comes only to those who make quick decisions and fully commit to following their mentors. Also, it's important to note, trading involves risks and there are no guaranteed rewards. The knowledge you gain will help you on this journey, and of course, I'll be there to guide you. That's all from me. See you soon.